Hello everyone, myself Saurabh Kadam. I am from Anna Sahib Dangi College of Engineering and Technology, ASTA. So today I am going to explain about applications of machine learning in universal testing machine. So the application of machine learning is related to the civil engineering domain. What are those? So we will see about the universal testing machine. What is the application of it into the universal testing machine? So first we'll see the introduction. Machine learning can play a significant role in enhancing the capabilities of the universal testing machine, and we know the UTMs can improve their accuracy and predict material behavior and automatic the analysis test results. So machine learning algorithms can help identify patterns in data collected during testing and allowing for better material characterization and quality control. So machine learning is used in UTM. So there is a use algorithms. Different algorithms are used. We can see it later on. Next is the how machine learning can enhance the universal testing machine. Means how it enhance, then how it universal testing machine by enabling predictive capabilities. It enabling machine learning. It enabling the predictive capabilities as well as automation and improved data analysis. Machine learning algorithms can learn from historical test data to predict the material behavior and allowing for more accurate test outcomes. So this can lead to a better understanding material properties and more informed decisions. So likewise, it enhances the universal testing machine. Okay, next. Next is the what is the role of machine learning? How, what is the major role of machine learning in universal testing machine? So there are different things like defect detection, predictive maintenance, quality control. So likewise, you can see the first we can see the defect detection. So machine learning algorithm can analyze the data from the testing process to identify the defect or anomalies in the steel bars. It will find or it will detect the whatever the defects are occurring to the steel bars, such as cracks, deformities or weak points. It will detect. Next is the predictive maintenance. It will predict the maintenance wherever is required. So by monitoring the performance of the testing machine and the condition of the steel bars over time, machine learning models can predict when maintenance is needed. Means wherever is required the maintenance, it will be monitored. Then quality control. Machine learning can assess the quality of steel bars. Means it will assess the quality of the steel bars. Then testing results against predefined standards, helping to determine if the bars meet the required specifications. Okay, so this is the quality control. So next is the next other parameters you can see data analysis, optimization, automation. So these are also things are included into this. Means major roles are play into this. So data analysis. Machine learning algorithm can process and analyze the large volumes of testing data, quickly identifying the patterns and that might be difficult for human operators to spot. Miss what? It will identify the patterns and it is difficult to find the patterns by human. By human beings it is difficult to find the patterns. Okay, so that's why machine learning major play the major roles to analyze the data. Optimization means machine learning can help optimize the testing procedures by suggesting the most efficient parameters and configuration for the universal testing machine. So based on the historical data, it will be based on the historical data. Automation is what? Machine learning can enable automation of certain aspect of the testing process and reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing the efficiency. It will increasing the efficiency and reducing the need for manual intervention. There is will no need of the manual intervention. So due to the automation, it will decreases the human major human roles, and it will reduce the time also. So next is the another two things you can say, the regression analysis and data interpretation. ML can be used to establish the correlation between various factors, like you can say the material properties, testing conditions, and the outcomes of the test, aiding in the predicting how different variables affect the behavior of steel bars. Means from this, what we will get applying this particular algorithm, you can say the regression. So we can predict the different variables which are affect on the behavior of steel. Means we will come to know. So next is the data interpretation. Machine learning can assist the interpreting complex data from the testing process and helping engineers and research into the material behavior under the various conditions. So data interpretation is also play the major role. So we know that it plays the major role machine learning into the universal testing machine. But what its work or how its work? So there are different steps like data collection, features extraction, model training. Okay. So first we can see the data collection. The universal testing machine gathers the data and is as it applies force to the steel bars until it reaches failure. Means it will collect the data first, and this data includes parameter like force applied, deformation, strain, and more. So in universal testing machine, we will apply the force, deformation, strain into that, and so that we will come to know so under which force stress it will do it. So next is the feature extraction. Machine learning algorithm can process and extract the relevant features from the raw data. Those features might include peak load, yield strength. So whatever features they have, so it will extract. Then model training. It will first machine learning model such as regression or classification algorithm, whatever it may be. So is trained on a labeled data set, and the data set would include input features, collect, extracted, and corresponding labels. Means major properties of the steel bars. Steel bars, it measures the properties of the steel bars. Next working is the prediction and automation. Prediction in the sense after the training of the model, we can go through this prediction. It can predict the properties of new steel bars. Means whatever the steel bars are, it can predict the properties of there. And for instance, it can predict the ultimate tensile strength. Means for instance, it can predict the ultimate tensile strength or without manual calculation. There is no need of manual calculation. Next is the automation. Automation is what machine learning can automate the process determining the key material properties, reducing the need for manual calculation and human intervention. So automation is the also we know the major role. Then quality control and optimization. Then we know that machine learning can help identify the anomalies or any defect in the steel bars, and this aids in quality control and ensures the compliance and standards. Okay. So next is optimization. Over the time, machine learning can improve the prediction by learning and from the data it processes. Okay. So we know about the optimization. Next is the last part of this presentation is the integrated what we got from this particular presentation, uh, the integrating machine learning into the universal testing machine holds great potential for enhancing the efficiency, accuracy, and predictive capabilities. ML algorithms can analyze the complex data patterns. Okay, so as the technology advances, the synergy between the machine learning and universal testing machines will likely lead to improved material analysis and product quality assessment across various industries. So from this we will come to know how machine learning plays the major role into the civil engineering domain, and into the civil engineering domain what are the different things which in this machine learning plays the major role. In this first we have seen the universal testing machine, how it works and how it shows. Okay, thank you very much.